wood siding was in very bad shape before we painted it. The paint looked good for 2 or 3 years and was really bubbling and peeling off for 5 years. Air conditioner ran constantly. Heater ran constantly. When you can look at a curtain move when the wind blows from the inside, probably need to do something about your windows. We called them and they actually wanted to come give us a quote. Whereas some of the more local guys are so busy, it was tough to even really get a quote. And then a couple other quotes that we did get were awfully high. New siding, new soffit, new gutters.
3 windows.
And a couple new windows.
Yeah.
Pleasant. They came and they did their work and
Cleaned up after themselves.
they did actually clean up after themselves. Worked long hours. I mean, dark to dark, I guess. So did a great job.
Wow.
Yeah.
The wow factor, I guess. It's been huge.
We get a ton of compliments that the house looks nice, and a lot of them start with, wow. It really needed that, didn't it?
The beauty of the house is kind of revitalized it, I guess, from when it was before. So I think things are running less. The air conditioner's running less, and
Yeah.
it's just been a good thing for this poor house. It needed it.
Yeah. Absolutely. Would recommend them. I think they did a great job. I think the products that they offer are good.
It looks great. I mean, when I go out and water my plants in the front, it just looks hugely different than it did before.
We love the way the house looks.